Angielia Marwein, a 24-year-old model from Shillong, has been named the state winner of Femina Miss India and will present Meghalaya in the national pageant. In a press meeting at the Shillong Press Club, Marwein discussed her journey, her academic pursuits in political science and her aspiration to showcase Meghalaya's rich culture. She urged state residents to support her on social media to secure a spot in the top 12 and achieve the multimedia subtitle.
I have done my schooling from St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, my bachelor's from St. Edmund's College and my master's degree from St. Anthony's College. As a person, I'm a very adventurous person. My hobbies include trekking, swimming, doing any adventurous thing, be it cliff jumping or river rafting, something like that. And I have also a keen interest in dancing and music. I've also been really active in sports. I used to play basketball and I was a track athlete in school. Since the day I decided to participate in Femina Miss India, my biggest supporter has always been my entire family and all my friends. The contest will be held on the end of October, last week October. We don't really know the dates yet. They've not specified, but soon I'll be sharing that with you all.
The farmer's broomstick